It's a great pleasure to be back on Mudra stage after 25 years. You know, clock works at different speeds with different people. If you don't believe that, take a look at me and take a look at Radha and Bhaskar. I have considerably aged in 25 years and they have managed to remain as youthful, as energetic when I last saw them 25 years ago. And more especially, I think the institution, Mudra, has remained youthful and energetic. I'm sure that they won't disclose the secret of their youthfulness in public, but I intend having a private conversation with them to understand what makes them so young-looking. Mudra, in Tamil Mudirai, necessarily has 3 dimensions. You got to etch it, you got to carve it so that it has it's capable of having an impression. When I first met Bhaskar and Radha 25 years ago, I was struck by 3 very impressive traits in them. One was their level of initiative. Even 25 years ago, it was not very easy to start a sabha. That they felt courageous to do that they felt that they had the energy to do it, to start a new institution. Their initiative was very impressive. Equally, their involvement, the passion for what they were doing was something which was extremely creditable. In fact, I recall telling them some years later that they have to bring in more people into the organization, that their involvement is far too intense. And that is something which has been a reason for the growth and success of Mudra as an institution. And the third and the most important trait is the spirit of innovation. Everything that Mudra has done over the years has been something which is striking a new chord. It's taking an innovative step in furthering the cause of music, and I think this is something which is something very remarkable. And I must say that I haven't come across any other institution in the music field which has achieved so much, which has been so impactful in the last 25 years as Mudra has been. Music, Carnatic music also has several dimensions, and Mudra has been working to push every dimension of the music, whether it's the depth of the music, or the width of the music, or the length of its reach. Everywhere there is an imprint, there is a seal, there is a mudra of Mudra. In terms of the depth of the music, I mean, our musical tradition is so rich, so deep, that you could spend years trying to learn, understand this music, and yet not have mastery over the subject. This is so deep. The flows of this ocean is indeed very, very deep. And Mudra has had innovative kind of programs in this, whether it is a 4-hour concert, whether it's a Janakajanya Raga concert, pushing people to enjoy and delve into the depths of music and enjoy the intensity of our rich treasure. Mudra has also been widening the manner of reach, the different medium of reach. It's got the print medium, it's got the TV, it's the Palam TV, the Palam radio. I cannot believe that some institution can have such a comprehensive way of addressing every need of the art form. And of course, in terms of the reach, the length of the reach, the third dimension of this, again, the very innovative kind of programs, the music appreciation programs that they had started, which others have emulated from them, but they were the pioneers in this, clearly. And taking music to schools. So they have constantly been trying to look at how to enhance, how to enlarge the world of Rasikas for our music tradition. I cannot think of a more appropriate way of describing Radha and Bhaskar than to say that they are an outstanding musical entrepreneurs. And I'm not saying this in any pejorative way.